We have news coming out about the IRS targeting one cryptocurrency exchange and their users, especially for those who have not been reporting their cryptocurrency taxes to the IRS. Before we get into that, please hit the like button, hit subscribe, check out the CT Club down below. We're telling our members everything that we're doing with our cryptocurrencies during these turbulent times of prices and changes in the cryptocurrency space. So what's happened now is the IRS has issued a John Doe summons to all users of the US, all the US citizens who use an exchange called SFOX. If you call it any other way, let me know. I've never used that exchange. It's not a very popular one in the media. But anyway, this exchange has been around for a while. It's based in the US, so they service a lot of US customers. And what's happened is, I guess the IRS is saying, hey, everyone's trading cryptocurrencies, but no one's really reporting it. So what they did is issued a John Doe summons. And the first time I believe they've done this with crypto was in 2018 with Coinbase. They've also issued John Doe summons for Circle and for Kraken as well in the past. Basically what they've done is they're saying, okay, anyone who has traded a cryptocurrency on this exchange between 2016 and 2021, and that transaction has had a worth of at least $20,000, we want that information. We want the name of the people involved. We want the amount of cryptos that they were trading, which cryptos they were, and we want to know if these people have been reporting the profits of these trades to the IRS. Because as we all know, reporting your taxes is a voluntary effort, but sometimes the IRS doesn't think we're being so voluntary. So for anyone who thinks they're going to be avoiding taxes and they're trading crypto on a centralized exchange, that is not the fact anymore. Additionally, if you're found to be, not reporting to the IRS, fines could be up to $3 million and up to 5 years in prison if you're found to have been doing so intentionally. So be wary of that. Anyway, also happening recently is more information coming out about Celsius and the CEO Alex Mashinsky and his inability to let the experts manage their users' money. I guess in January he kind of overrided what some their trading desk, the people who were managing the money in a professional manner for Celsius and their users to generate profits. Alex Mashinsky thought he knew something that someone else didn't, and he decided to make a trade of a huge, like hundreds of millions of dollars worth of the users' Bitcoin. His plan was to sell the Bitcoin to buy back at a cheaper price based on what he thought was a guarantee when the Fed back in January was going to raise interest rates. Turns out the Fed didn't raise those interest rates in any meaningful way, and it did not adversely affect the cryptocurrency markets the way Alex thought so. He actually had to buy back much more expensive at a higher price the next day, losing about $50 million for that month.
What
so
an idiot.
I know, Toby. The reason why I'm bringing this up, for some people who are like, oh man, you keep kicking us while we're down, poor Alex Mashinsky, or yeah, whatever, like we learned our lesson. You wouldn't believe the amount of amnesia that can happen in cryptocurrency, especially with the new users coming in. As profits start coming in again, as we exit this bear cycle into the next bull market, there's going to be new platforms promising guaranteed returns, passive income, easy profits. There's going to be new charismatic figureheads in this cryptocurrency space coming out that are going to be able to convince some people to give them their crypto because they are really altruistic and they're going to do what they can to make them profit. I mean, these users' profits. That's why I'm always reminding you of the pitfalls of these centralized platforms, especially lending platforms and Alex Mashinsky. A lot of people had a lot of faith in him and trust in him, but they could not verify what he was doing with their with their cryptos. That's why, just holding crypto, holding Bitcoin in a hardware wallet, dollar cost averaging, these are time-tested, solid investment strategies. If you don't have an investment plan, especially coming into this next cycle, I highly suggest that you check that out and you stick to your own plan. Only you can calculate the risks that you're willing to take, the amount of profits that you need to make to meet your financial goals, and what your plans for crypto are in the long term. That's up to you. My name's Heidi. This is Crypto Tips. I'll see you guys soon.